There are three things that we know about the SDV transition right now. One is that this transition is incremental. Two is that companies are in different phases or different stages of maturity in this transition. And three is that if you don't know exactly where you are, in which phase of maturity you are, and what the maturity phases are, it becomes very difficult to define your strategies or your next steps. So this is why it's important to understand what this transition entails. So one of the key takeaways we got from this is that phase one and phase two, they are important setting stones, but there's some limited benefits for the customer and for the OEMs in those phases. It's actually phase three that is the inflection point. This is where most of the enabling technologies are now adopted and you have a large-scale adoption of it. The OEMs fully understand these enabling technologies, and now is when the customers can actually feel the benefits of a software-defined vehicle, and the organizations, the OEMs, they have benefits, of course, that they offer for the customers, but also a lot of operational benefits as well, and financial benefits. So in terms of technology, phase one and two, the OEM is learning software development. I mean, I know OEMs have been developing software for a long time, but you are learning new technologies, right? So you learn CI/CD and DevOps, you start using virtual engineering environments. But now in phase three, you become a software-first company. So now you are using digital twins, you are using AI and machine learning to connect your internal infrastructure, to connect with your supply chain. And now you have these virtual environments, and your manufacturing, for example, is connected with your design. So if you have a problem in the physical manufacturing of your vehicle, that information can go to your design team through an agent, for example, and the design can change, and everything can happen in a much quicker time than it happens today. So a lot of benefits can come from phase three and four.